Imagine waking up tomorrow to a Jamaica with no gun violence. Sounds impossible, right? But what if the key to our safety might be strengthening relations between Kingston and Washington D.C.? Today, we're exploring a reality tearing our paradise apart and the unexpected solution that could change everything. In the time it takes to watch this video, chances are another Jamaican life will be lost to gun violence. It's a chilling thought, but here's an even more startling fact. This beautiful island, home to just about 3 million souls, has a higher murder rate than some war-torn countries. Let that sink in for a moment. Most of these deadly weapons aren't made in Jamaica. They're flowing in primarily from the United States like a river of destruction. And the person who might have the power to dam that river, none other than Kamala Harris, the US Vice President with Jamaican roots. What if, and it's a big what if, President Harris, looking to the future here, decides to crack down hard on gun exports to Jamaica? We're talking stricter controls, tighter regulations, the whole 9 yards. Rewind to 2022, when Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with Vice President Harris at the White House. They put their heads together to tackle this issue head-on.
A great part of our conversation, Mr. Prime Minister, that we appreciate has been about the priority we share for security in the region, as well as the issue of crime prevention. So we discussed, of course, the priority that your government places on both those issues, and we agree that one area of important focus is on youth and on, as you said, the human capital of Jamaica. To that end, we have committed, and we are announcing now, to provide $10 million to target at-risk youth in Jamaica through a number of initiatives that we believe will have exponential impact not only on the issue of crime prevention, but what we intend as well, which is to strengthen, as you have described, the natural human capital that exists in Jamaica among young people. The United States and Jamaica continue to be close friends with many, many issues in common, and this partnership is an important one and an enduring one for the United States, and we look forward to strengthening and continuing to strengthen the relationship.
Picture this: fewer illegal guns making their way to Jamaican streets. The pipeline starts to dry up. Suddenly, the bad guys aren't so well armed anymore. It could be a total game changer for this island paradise. But here's the thing. It's not just about what the US does. Jamaica's got to step up its game too. As Prime Minister Holness pointed out, the cooperation between Jamaica and the United States has been solid, but there's always room for improvement. Strengthening those ties, sharing more intelligence, and working together like never before is crucial. Some might be thinking, is this really going to make a difference? Consider this chilling example. In August, the parish of Clarendon saw one of the worst gang-related shootings in recent memory. 17 people were shot. 8 lives were lost in just one incident in just one day. And that's not even the worst part. The truth is, hardly a day goes by in Jamaica without someone being murdered. It's a harsh reality, but it must be faced. This beautiful island paradise has the highest crime rate in the entire Western Hemisphere. Let that sink in for a moment too. Sitting back and waiting for someone else to fix this problem isn't an option, whether it's President Harris cracking down on gun exports or the Jamaican government stepping up its game. Everyone has a role to play. International partnerships are crucial too. Beyond the United States, Jamaica could strengthen ties with other Caribbean nations facing similar challenges. Sharing best practices, coordinating efforts, and presenting a united front against gun trafficking could amplify the impact of individual country efforts. Imagine a Jamaica where people don't have to live in fear, where children can play in their communities without worry, where businesses can thrive without the constant threat of violence. It's possible, but only if everyone comes together. Here's a call to action for every single Jamaican. Be part of the solution. Join the coalition to crush crime and criminality on the island. This isn't just a job for the government, it's a task for all Jamaicans. What can be done? Start by reporting suspicious activity in your neighborhood. Get involved in community watch programs, mentor young people who might be at risk of falling into gang life, support organizations that are working to provide alternatives to violence. And most importantly, speak up. Let your voice be heard. Demand action from your local representatives. Push for stronger cooperation with the United States to stem the flow of illegal guns. Support policies that address the root causes of crime in Jamaican communities. But the fight against gun violence isn't just about law enforcement. It's about creating opportunities for young people so they don't turn to crime in the first place. It's about investing in education, job training, and community development. It's about building a society where everyone has a chance to succeed. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but every small action, every voice raised, every life touched, it all adds up. Jamaica can turn the tide on crime, but only if everyone works together. What do you say, Jamaica? Are you ready to be part of the change? Are you ready to take back your streets, your communities, your island? Let's do this together. Leave a comment below with your ideas on how to make Jamaica safer. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on the issues that matter most to this island nation.